The chicken is really looking good. It should be really tear off the bone tender. You have the nice chicken broth. So just check the description below in my Chinese cooking accessory guide. You'll find different ingredients and items used in Chinese cooking, as well as the wok that I use and this Instant Pot that I use. To make chicken stock, you can use chicken bones, but I prefer to use chicken parts like chicken thighs. So first take off the skin from the thighs, then you're ready to proceed to make the chicken stock. Put 8 to 10 cups of water into the Instant Pot. I also like to put 2 to 3 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. Put in 1 tablespoon of salt or less, and just give it a quick stir. The cooking time for the chicken broth is 15 minutes, but you can cook it longer if you like. And then let it naturally release the pressure for 20 to 30 minutes.
Still a lot of pressure going. So when you see the silver button drop, that's when the finish is done.
It's just to turn the lid. Wow, there you have it. The chicken is really looking good. It should be really tear off the bone tender. You have the nice chicken broth. So you can see the bone is just separating from the meat. So you're gonna have a real nice chicken broth. You can make chicken noodle soup, or you can make congee with it, different recipes. Wow, that's really nice broth. Ooh, that's nice. So I just put a little ginger and salt in there. Get a real tasty broth. The chicken is really tender. So we're just gonna take the chicken thighs out. So the chicken thighs, the bones, ooh, see, look at that. The bones are just falling off. So you might have to make sure there's no bones in the soup. So we got a nice rich broth here. So I'm gonna separate the meat from the bones, so it's really quick. So this will save you a step in terms of cutting the chicken. So if you cut the chicken and then use it for recipes, it actually takes more time. Here, after you finish making the soup stock, you can just tear the meat off the bones. See, the meat just separates. It's nice and tender. So I like to use thighs. Dark meat is easier to cook. It doesn't dry out. So you can simmer as long as you want, and the meat will still stay nice and moist. You have the nice chicken broth. We can use it for different recipes like soups or congees or stews. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.